Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall completely League of Legends from your PC or laptop. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first things first, you want to completely close League of Legends, Riot Client, and so on and so forth. So just click this arrow and basically completely close Riot Client and also League of Legends. Now you want to open up your task manager and end all the tasks related to League of Legends. So that would be Riot Client, for example. As you can see, it's still running, although I just closed it. So you want to click on Riot Client and end the task. Once you will do that, you want to go ahead to your installed apps right there and just search here for League of Legends. Go ahead and install it right there and just click uninstall. Now once you will do that, the League of Legends will be uninstalled, but you also want to go ahead and just check if any of the folders are still there. So on your local disk C, you want to find Riot Games, and as you can see, there's a League of Legends, so you want to just delete this file. Also, you want to go to your local app data. So on program run, you want to write down percentage local app data percentage, click OK. It should delete the League of Legends once you will uninstall it, but maybe it will stay there. So you want to go ahead and find Riot Games here, and you want to delete League of Legends folders. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.